You want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Today market saw a clear sell-off in the second half. If you see both Nifty and Bank Nifty in fact came negative from the higher levels of 15,930. It came down to 15,820. So the fall from the high was about 100 points, and Bank Nifty also came down, but there was a huge outperformance in Bank Nifty in the first half, and I tweeted during live market hour, yes, today Bank Nifty will outperform, and I had even written HDFC Bank and SBI will lead the rally on the upside. Yes, you saw HDFC Bank today, which was up over 2.5%, and even in the last 1 hour late sell-off, Bank Nifty was still outperforming and it was still above by 350 points. Let me tell you, the stock of the day, which the whole country will talk, is only about Tata Motors. The stock from high of 360 in futures came to levels of 312. The fall was a whopping close to 45 to 50 points fall in Tata Motor and the future stock, and this happened once the news came out that the Jaguar and the chip what they use for the manufacture will lead for their performance to come down, and this stock was just getting battered. In fact, last 1 hour, Tata Motors saw a huge selling, and that selling was even over 3,000 crore. We don't know what is the delivery in it, but I can tell you Tata Motor is still not a buy on this dip. People ask, how can you tell this with conviction? I'll tell you that is what my market profile and order flow charts are telling. In fact, today, the last 1 hour sell-off was not at all a good factor. And this is the fourth time again and again repeatedly at Nifty 15,900 plus level, market is seeing a significant resistance and a sell-off. So let me tell you now, all the put writers who are at 15,800, those guys will start running for cover, and tomorrow if you get any gap up open, that will be a wonderful opportunity to go short in market, but you have to be very stock specific and you have to time this market. Flexibility is the key. This market is moving one day to buy, one day to sell. Forget one day. Today morning first half market was on the buy side, but the second half market was on the sell side. So all these live updates during market hours, I am giving it absolutely free to you all in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below. And in fact, I wrote a statement during live market hour. Anyone can talk about Tata Motors now. During live market hour, I wrote, motor has been removed from Tata Motor. You can even see the tweet in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, and I am saying any gap up tomorrow and even any bounce in Tata Motor, because a single day having fallen 8 to 9%. In fact, it was at a lower circuit in F&O and it freezed for some time today on the lower circuit. So tomorrow, having seen such a huge fall, any bounce will be sold in Tata Motor, and still buying opportunity is not there. Support will emerge at 300 and 280 to 82 zone. People have to wait out till then, and flexibility is the key. Morning, in fact, I was long on Tata Motor where it went up 3%, but however, the second half, as flexible as it was, I went even short on Tata Motor, but then it is easy to tell now, but I have updated during live market hour for people to be very cautious of Tata Motor, because motor has been removed from Tata Motor. Now you have only two choice. One is to be flexible and change to market condition. Two, you can still keep arguing with market and tell I am not flexible, I am ready to lose money, but market has to change. Market will never change, and all successful pro traders, they are highly flexible. They listen to market, they never order market. I am sure all this learning has added a lot of value to you, and during live market hour I am giving my updates in Twitter handle. Guys, today I have a problem with my regular setup of camera, mic, everything. So I'm just shooting on my mobile because I don't want to miss even a single program for you guys, because my purpose and passion is to give as much as possible to you guys. Do write to me below in the comment section about all your learnings of today's program, and also don't forget, without fail, I want each one of you to make a lot of notes, learn a lot so that you earn a lot. Those of you who want to register for my MPME program, Market Profile Made Easy program, happening this weekend, and if you have only completed my Zero to Millionaire program, you will be allowed and you will be eligible for that program. MPME, Market Profile Made Easy, happening this Sunday. And those of you who are yet to do my Zero to Millionaire program, that is a basic, fundamental and a must to do program before any of my advanced course, and that ZTM program is happening on August 20th, 21st and 22nd. 3-day complete program with lot of practical inputs and learning. More information about that and for registration, do log in to www.ztmindia.com, given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this program. Have a nice day. See you all tomorrow. Till then, signing off, Rudramurthy. Thank you.